So after about a year of using the ADOTEC Bear Bag, I have some updates that I need to inform everyone. First, I'm going to be talking about like my experience with this bear bag is, and then I need to bring up some stuff that this recently just happened that is very important for you to know. But let's get straight into the video. Yeah, buddy. I've been using the ADOTEC Bear Bag for about a year now, and I do like it. And it only weighs about 7 ounces and it's waterproof. And the reason why I use this is because in certain areas it requires you to bring a bear canister or a Ursack or some kind of device like this. And so it's that way that I can kind of get away with, you know, not bringing a bear canister that weighs about 2, maybe 3 pounds at the minimum. And I've actually enjoyed using this. I take it on a lot of my backpacking trips. It's fun to use because when I'm hiking all day long, I get to camp and I can just, instead of like finding a tree and, you know, trying to throw a stick or a rock over a limb and trying to hang a bear bag in the middle of the night, I can just walk over to a tree, tie it up, and it's that simple. And then in the morning, just go back and pull it. And it's also great against mice and little rodents and, you know, all that little small little animals that like to bite into your stuff and make holes. They can't really bite holes into this. Till I read this Facebook post. So this is why I'm actually making this video. It's because I recently read on the Appalachian Facebook page where someone was using this ADOTEC Bear Bag, and I want to share it with everyone, at least on my channel. These are not 100% proof. It might say that it's, you know, grizzly bear certified down here, but if you put one of these bags in front of a bear, and if you give it enough time, yes, within time, it's gonna go ahead and chew this up and rip it open, and it's gonna find a way. It's just, it's not 100% guarantee that it's gonna keep your food safe. Not to mention, you'll see in some of these pictures that the food gets all chopped up. I think there's like a peanut butter jar that's all broken and spoons bent and stuff. So all your stuff that you have in this bear bag is actually useless and you don't have any food. And I should bring this up. You know, Ursacks and the ADOTEC Bear Bags, they're actually not allowed the way that you want to or are supposed to use them. You actually have to follow special requirements written by the Appalachian Trail. Like for the example, if you look at the Chattahoochee area, they need to be at least 12 feet high in order for you to actually tie it on a tree. And same thing for the Shenandoah National Park. You're not allowed to use them. You have to use a bear box or bear cables. And for the Smokies, again, you have to use the bear cables. You're not allowed to just hang it on a tree. So long story short, these are not 100% bear proof, and I'm just here to share that information with you. But again, I post videos usually on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and if you're into that type of content where I'm talking about backpacking gear and testing different stuff, you might want to go ahead and follow along. Again, I'm Coach Bill 3 5, and yeah, buddy, I'll see you guys next week.